Welcome to Balance. In this game, you'll be training your motor control skills. Let me show you how. Do you see the plates attached to your hand controllers? You will use them to catch and balance a series of balls that I will be launching your way. The challenge is to catch them when they fall out of these dispensers and balance them for a while. Let's try it. Just position the plates below the dispensers. Good! Now, try to balance the required balls, but this time without any help. Watch out, because they can really roll off the plates now. Great work! Now, let me introduce a new color. Try to match the balls required for each plate. Looks like there are more balls on the plate than necessary. Please get rid of the extra ones. Perfect! Let's practice some more. Great! One final thing. If you feel like it, you can decide to throw the balls up in the air for a slow-motion aerial maneuver. Just push the trigger button in the controller to send an air jet from the plate. Try it out! There you go! Once mastered, this ability can help you swap balls between the two plates. Have fun!
You